Want to save cash and still have fun? Check out these 10 easy tips. Hey guys! When I was in high school working at a bakery, I never saved a dime. Everyone said stop buying lattes, but I love my coffee. Now I've got to trick the 80-20th rule. Whenever I get my paycheck, I stash 20% straight into savings. The remaining 80%? That's for bills, rent, and yes, more lattes. This way, I can save money and still enjoy life. Here are 10 more simple hacks to help you save money fast. Number 1, track your spending. Number 2, set small savings goals. Number 3, meal prep to avoid eating out. Number 4, unsubscribe from marketing emails. Number 5, use cashback apps. Number 6, shop with a list. Number 7, buy generic brands. Number 8, DIY gifts. Number 9, cancel unused subscriptions. And number 10, sell stuff you don't need. You've got this.